Hi guys, let me show you the moisturizing kit that I've recently bought. I've always loved Clarins brand for moisturizers and the nourishment of the skin. It's quite light and it goes well with my skin, for example. But in this case, I bought the set, which usually is quite a bargain because usually sets cost about the same price as the cream itself, especially when it's around Christmas time, when there are discounts. So this is the Hydra-Essentiel cream, which is hydrating. It's moisturizing. It's not suitable for like cold winters because during cold winters you don't want to moisturize your skin because you go out to the street and this moisture will just freeze in your skin. So it's more recommendable to have something nourishing rather than moisturizing. But in my case, I don't have the cold. The winter here is not as cold as in northern states, for example. This is why it's really suitable for me all year round, basically. So this one is really cool. It's quite light. It moisturizes the skin as well, and at the same time, it doesn't leave any um, trace. So after you put it on, the face is not like glittery, if you know what I mean. Also, they have this bag there from recyclable materials as well. And they have this Sauce Hydra mask. It also, the mask is moisturizing. It's quite nice. It's small, so you can actually take it with you. It's almost like travel size. And fresh scrub, which you ideally, you put the scrub first and then the mask. But, well, you can use it separately depending on what you need at this or that time. So the whole set consists of the bag, the scrub, the mask, and the Hydra-Essentiel moisturizing cream. I really recommend it, and now it should be on discount still, so please use this time.